In this video I will show you how to change the voice in Fliki AI. So right here I have a video, and let's say that for this video I would like to change the voice, which is the AI voiceover. To do that, what you want to go and do is click on a scene right here, and then here you can see the voiceover. So this one's name is Jane. Now go and click on the voiceover right there. And now here you can pick any language, dialect, gender and voice style you want. For example, I'll say friendly. And then here you will have friendly voices, so the ones that are highlighted are that. So you have the standard voices and the ultra realistic voices. For example, I'll go with Cooper right here, so you can listen to the voice by clicking on it right there, and then click select. Now if you want to change all scenes to that voice, then just go and click on it, and then here click on apply to all scenes, and then click select. And now you will see that all of these voices are changing to Cooper, and the video now has a different voice. So that's how to change the voice in Fliki AI. If this video was helpful, please consider leaving a like and subscribing to my channel. With that being said, I will see you